Have you ever heard someone say, "Money can't buy happiness"? This phrase is repeated all the time, as if it were an absolute truth. But, if that were really the case, why do wealthy people seem to live better lives, with less worry, and more freedom? Could the problem not be money itself, but rather the way you think about it? A study from Princeton University found that people with higher incomes report less daily stress and greater life satisfaction. This means that while money alone may not bring instant happiness, it eliminates many causes of unhappiness, such as financial insecurity, debt, and lack of access to opportunities. Now, think for a moment. How many times have you had to give up something important, a trip, a course, even a medical appointment, because you didn't have enough money? Maybe it's time to rethink your relationship with money. The problem is that many people grew up hearing that money shouldn't be a priority, that pursuing wealth is a sign of greed, and that true values in life cannot be bought. But does that really make sense? Let's face reality. Living without money can deprive you of comfort, security, and even your peace of mind. Studies show that lack of money is one of the biggest causes of stress and anxiety in the modern world. Debt, unpaid bills, uncertainty about the future, these all have a direct impact on mental health. And it's easy to see this in everyday life. A person who is constantly worried about money rarely relaxes, enjoys moments with family, or plans for a better future. So, if money is such a fundamental part of our quality of life, why do so many people still see it as something negative? The answer may lie in how wealthy people view money. To them, money is not just a means to pay bills, but a powerful tool to buy time, experiences, and freedom. Contrary to what many believe, wealthy people don't just spend money on material things. A Harvard University study revealed that people who use their money to buy experiences and reduce unwanted tasks such as hiring services to free up time are significantly happier than those who only spend on physical possessions. And that makes sense, doesn't it? Imagine two people receiving a big financial bonus. One decides to buy a luxury car to impress others, while the other invests in education, transformative travel, and building new income sources. Which of them will get a more lasting return from their money? The wealthy understand that the real advantage of money is in the freedom it provides, allowing them to spend time doing what truly matters. But here's the big problem. Most people don't think this way and make mistakes that keep them from earning more money and consequently living better lives. The first mistake is a scarcity mindset. If you grew up believing that money is bad, that rich people are dishonest, or that seeking wealth is selfish, this might be sabotaging your financial life without you even realizing it. The second mistake is thinking that the only way to make money is by exchanging time for work. Many people spend years believing that the solution is simply to work harder, but they ignore the fact that the key to financial freedom is in creating scalable income sources that generate money even when you're not actively working. Finally, the third mistake is emotional spending, spending money impulsively just to feel better in the moment, without considering its long-term impact. Wealthy people understand that every financial decision should be made strategically to bring future benefits, while most people spend money without planning, simply to relieve daily stress. And that's exactly why I've selected some essential courses for you on finance, investments, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and millionaire mindset. If you truly want to break free from scarcity and learn how the wealthy think and make financial decisions, this is your chance to take the first step. The links are in the description and could be the beginning of a major transformation in your financial life. Now that you understand the mistakes preventing you from prospering, let's talk about how to change your mindset and start using money the right way. The first step is reprogramming your beliefs about money. Stop seeing it as something negative and start viewing it as a tool to improve your life. The second step is learning to invest in what really matters instead of spending on things that bring only momentary happiness. Focus on education, quality of life, and experiences that increase your knowledge and network. And the third step is to create multiple sources of income. If you rely on just one salary, you're taking a huge financial risk. Creating alternative income sources can give you more security, more freedom, and of course, more opportunities to live a fuller life. So, to wrap up, I want you to take this message with you. Money doesn't buy happiness, but the lack of it can destroy your peace. Now, I challenge you. What small change can you make today to improve your relationship with money? Tell me in the comments. If this video made sense to you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to change their mindset. See you in the next video.